So this is the project LS3 Cayman. Right. Take a look in there. Wait a minute. What's going on? Yeah. Here's a clue. So, we're moving along. Get rid of a whole bunch of sheet metal we don't like, we don't need. I'm going to have to frame it up a little more, but it's almost ready to go. Got all the framing in I need. Just to run it. I'm not going to be able to throw a lot of G's, but, you know. Got to get the engine package and all the engine controls and wiring harnesses should be coming pretty soon in the mail. No oil in it yet. Nope, no oil. There's the subframe. A little different than some of the guys. But it's no fun if you do it exactly like they do it. Walk over here real quick, get an idea of where you sit, engine, elbow, you know. Anyway, it should be running in a couple weeks. Till next time.